Hello guys, so let's solve today's leetcode problem. Count prefix and suffix pairs 1. We are given a zero index string array words. Let's define a boolean function as prefix and suffix that takes two strings, string 1 and string 2. And we have to check if its prefix of string 1 and string 2 returns true. If string 1 is both a prefix and a suffix of string 2 and false otherwise. For example, these two are the strings because the first string ABA is a prefix of ABA, and also suffix because this ending three words match the starting three words of the string one. But this one is false because the suffix doesn't match. Return an integer denoting the number of index pairs I, j such that I is less than j and is prefix and suffix of words ij is true. So we have to find the number of index pairs ij such that I is less than j and return the count of them. This is the first example given to us. Let's see how we get to this answer. So this is the first word. We would compare it with this. Prefix is also a, suffix is also a. So count would be incremented by 1. Now this and this. Again we would have matching prefix and suffix. Count is incremented by 1 again. But this also count is incremented by 1 again. And now we will check for this and this. These two are also prefix and suffix, so the count would increment one more, but not this. Again with this word length 1 is already greater than the word length, so automatically we would stop checking. So write the code. I would just iterate over the length of words array given to us in the question. Now for way I would use I plus 1 as the condition in this is given that I should be less than j. So for choosing j, I would increment it by 1 basically. So this is our roots. Now I would take the word 1, which would be words of I. This would be my word 1. And word 2 would be this I'm doing for like readability of the code. It's a good practice. These would be the now if words in our case words 2 length should be greater than words 1 length as words 1 is our prefix. So we can just write a comment here. Words 1 is the prefix or suffix we have to find. So that we don't get confused. Now if word 2 dot starts with word 1 and dot ends with word 1 is true, I would increment by count by 1. Ultimately, whatever the count is, I would return. Let's see if the solution is working. It's passing all the non-hidden test cases. Now let's find out. Yep, it's passing all the tests. So this was it for today's problem. Let's meet tomorrow. Bye.